Imagine a world where artificial intelligence is not just a concept, but a part of daily life. A world where machines learn and adapt, improving with each interaction. This is not a distant reality, it is happening now. The last decade has seen unprecedented advancements in AI technology, marking an exciting era in human history. It all started in 2013, when DeepMind's AlphaGo stunned the world by defeating a human champion in the complex game of Go. This was a pivotal moment in AI, showcasing that machines could learn and strategize, challenging the notion of human superiority in intellectual tasks. Fast forward to 2016, OpenAI, an artificial intelligence lab, made headlines with the introduction of Generative Pre-trained Transformer, or GPT for short. This language prediction model could generate human-like text, opening new possibilities for AI applications. However, it was in 2020 that AI took a giant leap forward with GPT-3, a model that could understand and generate text with an astonishing level of accuracy and nuance. This breakthrough paved the way for AI to become a part of our everyday lives, from customer service to content creation. This year, 2023, has been particularly significant in the AI timeline. OpenAI hosted its first developer conference, unveiling new tools that allow developers to create custom versions of ChatGPT. GPT-4 Turbo was also introduced, which supports inputs up to 300 pages long. Meanwhile, Elon Musk's startup, xAI, unveiled Grok, a sassy AI chatbot set to join X's Premium Plus service. This humorous chatbot is a testament to AI's evolving capabilities, adding a layer of personality to machine-human interactions. AI has also made strides in wearable technology. Humane introduced the AI Pin, a device aiming to replace smartphones with AI-powered hands-free technology. This wearable AI device is an example of how AI is becoming more integrated into our daily lives. Despite these advancements, AI still faces challenges. Concerns about targeted attacks and battery life remain, and ethical considerations continue to be a topic of heated debate. However, these challenges are not slowing down the pace of innovation, they are driving it. In summary, the last decade has seen AI make significant strides, from a game-playing machine to an integral part of our daily lives. The future of AI is promising, with advancements that continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: AI is transforming our world, and this transformation is just beginning.